Hello friends, this is Kukoy,
Arisha. Me.
Aria, Amira,
Okay, there.
yes there. And where are we?
Expo.
Yeah.
Wow, we came Expo.
Yeah.
Listen. What is coming?
Yes, we're here in Expo.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
Friends, we came Expo and right time is raining.
Yeah, rain or shine, naglaag mi, di ba? Karon naglaag mi, it's raining actually. See, this is, we are here at the mobility entrance. This is the, at the back side is the
Gate.
big gate, mobility gate. See? So people here, even though it's raining, but everyone is enjoying. Rain or shine, manglaag ang mga laagan.
Wear my hood. I will not.
Look, that is the main gate. So just don't mind about my hair, but still really it's raining. So it's my first time to come here actually, but it's because of the kids. He wanted to come here, so that's why we're here.
Also my first time. That my big sister second time.
Yeah, only.
In school she goes, but not me.
Yes. Thank you. Hold, come here, hold. It's slowly, walk slowly because it's slippery. Yeah, madulas kasi yung sahig, so walk slowly.
I'm wearing rubber shoes.
Yeah, it's our first time to come here, so it's very nice. So we're going to show you some because we're on our way to the main entrance. Okay. Yes, we're inside now. That is the main entrance. Actually, before when you go there, you have to show your ticket. You have to show your vaccination info, like that. So you have it ready. So now we are here in the mobility district. That is the walkway of the mobility district. Yes. What? Yeah, because you're still a kid, so you're not yet allowed. See, that is a very good, nice building in it. And if you wish to have what is this map, you can take it there anywhere. See, this we will start our journey with a map. That we don't know where to go, where to start, as long as we're here inside the Expo.
We're first going to the Alif, the mobility pavilion. They will tell us everything about mobility.
Yeah, so Alia said we need to go to the Alif. That
Like
something,
like I will get
tell something what's inside. See, that is beautiful. If you see that one beautiful structure building. So we're going there inside as per Aliyah there. So something will tell us what to expect for. So we're going now there on the side. So Aliyah's there with Arisha there. Okay. Ambot.
Let's go, Alif. Here.
كنت أقرأ وأستمع وقد أخذ وأطلع لأن أقول لغيري أن بلغني من آخر. Ranking domba kita bersebagai orang kaya Aussie dengan asli Amerika. ناقشت سياحة التشريع بل كانت مهمة كل في هذا أو كل حاجة عالم قال قررت أن تستكشف العالم وتكون له دليل فحزمت أجري على هجر الأحباب والدور وفارقت وطني في طنجة مفارقة الطيور للوقوع. The legend was designed to understand the sea, open paths for other men to follow. ارفع الشمال ولننطلق على بركة واحد البحر. عهد والدي أن أبحر مثله من الفار وأواصل بعده كشمات البحر بالنسوان. فأسرتي بارتياد البحور قد عرفت وبحب الملاحة والأسفار قد شغلت. فما ترانا إلا نسلك دروب من جاءوا قبلنا كي نمهد طريقا لمن سيأتون بعدنا. Remember, all the ones who were spoiled for will be fine. أيضا سيرتنا في الدنيا مثلنا وهم أكثر منا عددا وعددا. لا أمل من نجاة سوى لتوجيه السفينة إلى قلب العاصفة علينا نختبئ داخلها فنحن أيضا أبعين أحلامنا
Just follow. Just hold me. Yeah. Look for me. It's a big pearl. Wait, sir. Just read. I'm here only.
This is a surprise. Yeah, especially first. What to me? We can't hear you. Sorry. I think there's something. I guess you're for people. Nice. That's not what I meant. Right. How can we go back to nature again? More trees? Not just that. I have these butterfly sensors for my school project.
Yes, we just finished our first pavilion that we came in. That is we called it Alif Pavilion, Arish Aliana. So Alif,
Alif.
I'm sorry, Alif Pavilion. That's the one. That's the one. And Mira has Arisha Alia has her stamp additional. Finally one more stamp on her passport. So one versus many. So I think the rain stopped already.
Guys, I heard one sound here. Can you give me 20?
Later. So that's one for the mini. Then we'll go to our next destination.
I want the 20.